Journalists are working in the most trying conditions in occupied Kashmir and are being booked under the draconian laws for speaking the truth. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service on the occasion of International Day to End Impunity for Crimes Against the Journalists today said Narendra Modi-led Indian government is using strong armed tactics to strangulate media in the occupied territory. Indian troops in their continued crackdown arrested two more youth in the Baramulla district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the Indian troops during cordon and search operations and house raids terrorized the residents and arrested two youth, Altaf Ahmed and Farooq Ahmed, in Kunjar area of the district. All parties Hurriyat Conference leaders have said that the occupied Kashmir continues to bleed due to the Indian state terrorism. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC leaders in their statements in Srinagar said the Kashmiri people have been bearing the cost of the unresolved Kashmir dispute for the last 76 years. Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control and across the world will observe the Jammu Martyrs' Day on 6 November to reiterate the resolve to continue the mission of their martyrs till they achieve their right to self-determination. According to Kashmir Media Service, hundreds of thousands of Kashmiris were martyred by the forces of Dogra Maharaja Hari Singh, Indian Army and the Hindu fanatics in different parts of the Jammu region while they were migrating to Pakistan during the first week of November in 1947. National Conference Vice President Umar Abdullah has said that the situation in occupied Kashmir is far from normal. According to Kashmir Media Service, talking to reporters on the sidelines of the function at a party function in Srinagar, Umar Abdullah said the Narendra Modi-led Indian government was misleading the people about the situation in the territory. Posters have appeared in different areas of the occupied Kashmir urging the people to pay tribute to the Jammu martyrs on their martyrdom anniversary. Every year, Kashmiris living on both sides of the line of control and across the world mark 6 November as the Jammu Martyrs' Day to pay homage to the victims of the Jammu massacre and reiterate the resolve to continue the mission of their martyrs till the achievement of their right to self-determination.